Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about how can we program this prismatic part. No, sorry, this is a contour part, right? A 3-axis part. So let's get right into it. I want to finish the sketch, application and manufacturing, mode contour. Okay. Now when I go for the MCS, I want to put it on here. Z must be upward. Define the workpiece, and this is my workpiece. And I want to define the bounding block, fixed size block. Okay, next I want to define the first tool, and that would be needed better and 16 tool. I'm gonna take 16 with 2 mm base radius. See, okay. And I'm gonna create an operation and go to the mill contour, cavity mill, and see program workpiece is defined, and this is the mill rough cavity mill. Okay, specify cutting area. So this is the cutting area. Frame boundaries to follow the part mill rough constant 50%, and common depth per cut, and this is 2 mm, and let me just generate it, verify it. See, so it will just remove the maximum material from the surface. See, and once you're done with this, then I will create another tool of the ball mill 8. Okay, 8 ball mill. Okay, and I will create for the operation, and we'll go for the wrist milling, and 8 workpiece, and this is mill semi-finish. Okay, and specify the cutting area. This area is my cutting area, and trim boundaries follow the part, and common depth per cut 2 mm. Okay, see, verify the tool path. Okay, see, so once you're done with the wrist milling, I think still we have the material. For that I will just go for the ball nose 4. Okay, 4 ball nose. Okay, and I will go for the Z level profile, workpiece and mill finish. Okay, now specify the cutting area. The cutting area is this one. Tool axis and merge distance, maximum cut length, let me just 0.5 constant, and let me just do 1 mm, or you can keep it 0.5 mm. Okay, and let me just generate the tool path. See, and verify it. Okay, see, it just gets finished. Whoa. Okay, so this is how you can create the program for the core and cavities. I think the same process and the same procedure. Z level profile, active the cutting moves and non-cutting moves. So I think it's really fantastic for me to be knowing that how can we create a 3-axis part to the program. So thanks for watching.